Hi everyone, Asteria here is sponsoring this curly wig and we are going to make it pop. Inside the box, I have the wig, of course, some spider lashes, and we're not going to do that. They sent two types of elastic bands, one adjustable and one you can customize yourself. There is a satin wrap and I don't even know where I put it, but I need to find it. And I also have wig caps as well as a storage bag. So I'm using the old smoothing shampoo by Gabrielle Union to wash my hair. This is a good shampoo. It's so sad it got discontinued, but I need to finish it before it's no longer shelf stable. Anyway, the wig is 18 inches long with a medium cap size and 180% density. This one comes in a pretty burgundy color, the classic beauty supply store 99J, and it's definitely a solid winter red. You can see the dye runoff. That's normal, and that's why it's important to use a color safe shampoo when washing dyed wigs. Next up is my Pattern Beauty conditioner for tight textures. I do not know why I bought this massive bottle. It was probably the excitement, but it has two jobs. One, condition the hair so it's easier to detangle, and two, to get rid of the soap suds at the same time. Sometimes it gets really bubbly in the sink and I don't want to waste water getting rid of all of that foam, so I use conditioner and it gets rid of it for me. For curl definition, I start with my oil mix and I apply it to a small or medium-sized section of hair. The type of oil used does not matter, but the gel does. I'm using my high definition gel by Trelux to put life back into these curls. They are elongated and they need all the help they can get. A little bit goes a long way, and my aim is to coat the hair but not to super saturate it. Either way, the oil that I use as a primer will prevent the gel from making the wig look ashy. And these botanical gels, they don't get super flaky like regular gels. And I'm going to use my paddle brush to finish the job. The hair has a relaxed curl, so it's hard to get that bounce back that we usually get when we glide a brush through our hair and release. That bounce back is so important when defining curls, but I will work with what I'm being given. Also, these relaxed curls serve their purpose. Some people would rather have the elongated curls over shrunken curls, and I think that's what the company was going for when processing these. If you compare the left to the right, you can see the difference. Here is my shed hair and it is time to wear this wig. In the back, I have the only comb that I ever use, some adjustable straps, but the wig fits just fine. Turn around and I have side combs that need to be removed. The cap is breathable and I'm dealing with a 5x5 closure, lots of parting space to play with, especially with baby hairs. And I'm so thankful because I do not want a complicated wig right now, as much fun as they are. This is perfect, but the lace needs to be cut and colored. The cutting part is easy. Just go straight across, don't cut the baby hairs. I'm gonna put this wig on before I start putting powder in my part, and it's so hard from the gel, it looks funny. For color, I'm using my Fenty Beauty powder in the part. Let's not complicate things. And this is exactly why I wore a black wig cap. It makes the lace appear darker in color and I don't have to go the extra mile. I'm gonna need to buy a new Got to Be Glued spray because this one is spraying at an angle. And I'm using it to set the part so that everything stays in place. And you know what? This hard look, it's editorial, you know? It's like aspiring model editorial kind of. I think I could rock this outside, but I'm going to break the cast and then fluff the curls for you so you can see how to volumize your wig and all of that. Sectioning the hair is helpful and I'm just sliding down small sections of hair to release the texture. Okay, so I reset the crooked part, and this time I used a blow dryer to speed up the process. Now all that's left is to fluff the hair with a rake comb. At this point, I'm just doing things just to do things. I'm trimming some outliers to maintain a good shape and going at an angle. It looks good even in the back. So in my mind, I felt like my part wasn't defined enough. And I added some contrast because of that. Absolutely unnecessary, but I colored the part some more, then lightly rooted it with a dark brown ashy eyeshadow because a rich black might be too intense for this. I just wanted a filtered root. This wig comes in a natural black as well, by the way, in case anybody was interested. But how do you feel about this color? Because I feel like it looks good despite my love for warm tones like orange, copper, you know. Anyway, thanks for watching. As always, I will catch up with you in the comment section, and all details will be in the description box. Take care of yourselves, and I look forward to talking to you soon.